All right, we're done with evaluating expressions with one variable in the first unit, Algebra Foundations, of the class Algebra 1. So we're going to go on to our next problem set, which is evaluating expressions with multiple variables. Here we go. All right, evaluate 8r minus r times s when r equals 6 and s equals 5. So just like in the previous set, they give us numbers that are equal to each of these variables and ask us to evaluate this expression or simplify it. So we substitute the numbers they give us for the variable that they're equal to. So in this case, 8 times r becomes 8 times 6 because r is 6. And then we subtract r again, r is 6, times s, and s is 5, so I'll substitute 5 in there. And now I need to simplify. Order of operations says multiplication has to happen first before subtraction, so we'll do each of these multiplication parts. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 5 is 30. So 48 minus 30 is 18, and that's our simplified evaluation. Make sure you enter it just like you meant to. The computer believes you. All right, next one. Evaluate 10 times m plus n squared divided by 4 when m equals 5 and n equals 4. All right, so we'll first substitute the numbers they gave us for the variables they're equal to. So 10 times m is 10 times 5, because 5 is m, plus this fraction, we're squaring n is 4, so we substitute that, and then divided by 4. All right, order of operations says we do our exponents first, so 4 squared is 16. Next thing we need to do is division. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Next most important operation is multiplication. 10 times 5 is 50. And 50 plus 4 is 54. Evaluate 6 plus 4 divided by a plus b divided by 3 when a is 4 and b is 3. Okay, so 6 plus 4 divided by 4, because a is 4, and b, which is 3, divided by 3. Well, 4/4 is 1, 3/3 is 1, so I can write this as 6 plus 1 plus 1, which is 8. And we're done with that one. And we're almost done with the set. This set only has 4 problems. So this one asks c divided by 2 minus 3 plus 6 divided by d when c is 14, d is 3. Okay, so if c is 14, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I'll write that. Minus 3, I'll write that, plus 6 divided by d. d is 3, so 6 divided by 3 is 2. I'm adding that, so now 7. Now, at this point, subtraction and addition are equally important, but we work from left to right, just like we read from left to right. So 7 minus 3 happens first, and that is 4. Then we can add 2, and that's 6. And we are done.